I'm back on the 1989 4-liter Jeep cylinder head. This is the one that I carved 10,000s off of. Remember this? Look at that. It was 2000s cut. Didn't even touch anywhere near the metal. Hey everybody, happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. Hey, I got this guy some Fel-Pro gaskets. Let's change them seals because I know they're going to be hard as a rock. Just like I thought, these things are hard as a rock. They're just cooked. Hey, don't ever set a head down on a fresh surface. You'll scratch it. Better check them springs since it got so hot. I've got this set to the installed height. There's a lock here. I just put the spring in it. We're looking for around 80 pounds. There we go. Let's check them all. Last one. They're all good. They're going in here. They look like shit. Watch. I got all the carbon off the valves, and I buttered the valve tips. Some premium Viton seals. Springs cleaned up real nice. Hey, these seals come with what I call a seal condom. So that condom goes over the end of this thing, just like kind of, well, you know. And then the seal goes on. And that's to protect the seal going over this keeper groove. But if you just give it a little wiggle, knock that spring over, it goes right on. Of course, you got to tap it on. So I don't use these. I never liked wearing them, so it's not gonna. Here we go. Don't forget to oil them. Okay, you put oil on the top too. I already checked them, but let's check them now that I reassembled them. Here we go. Everything's sealing. It's going to run great. That'll do it for this time around. I started out to make it short, and it went a little bit too long. That's okay, though, huh? Hey, I hope you guys have a good day and a good evening, and be nice to each other, all right? We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.